Oh, I definitely can't show y'all that one. You crazy? You crazy? Hell no. I gotta blur all this out, but wow. 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 Ooh, baby. Ooh. Any one of you guys say something about my bed being a mess? No, I never get no coochie last night. It's just some clean clothes. Alright? Anyways, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Terry Vlogs, aka the Reaction Box. Huh? No, this is not the Reaction Box. We're on the vlog channel today. And yeah, I read the caption. That's why you clicked on the video. So I'm finna go through my crushes Instagram real quick and see what's popping over there. Oh my god! You understand? This vlogmas we're posting every single day, and it's about that time. You gotta dig for content. I'm finna go in the streets and vlog in a minute, but I like doing sit down videos, and we finna do this one real quick. So I hope you guys are ready. Grab your popcorns and see what's popping right now. I haven't been on her page in a minute for real because I've been busy doing reactions every single day. But guess what? It's finna happen right now. And the thing is, like, she knows I like her and shit, and she just playing hard to get.
Who are you?
But guess what? Let's pop it right now. Screen recording on the screen right now. Now let's see what's popping on the gram real quick. Okay. So you go party with you basically said telling me that you went out without me. You went out without me. Alright. It's okay. She went out, guys. She went out though. It's alright. I like the fit though. I ain't gonna cap. I like this fit. As you can see, I like the picture already. But you went out without me. Let's scroll somewhere. I hope I don't get mad. You went out again without me. That had to come down. Now that gotta go. Look, my head is mad. Yo. This is another freaking party. Like, what the hell, yo? I still like the fit though, regardless. Flat. See why she's making. Look at her neck. Look at the flat stomach and everything. Don't look. She go out without me. She went out without me. I know I'm gonna get mad this. Where did you go here again? Like, why are you doing that? Why are you showing them that you got all the ass? Like, but at the same time, you went out again without me. I know you're on Instagram showing the world that you got a fat ass. I like the pic though, as you can see. I love the pic. I wish I was here. The good thing is, when she was like this day, I had talked to her. I was on her live when she was right there. So I'm a little happy right now. Yeah, I saw all that. Yeah. I like this pic. I ain't gonna do no extra zoom in because YouTube don't like that. But I love this look on her. I love the pink hair. And I do love piercings on a girl. Like, piercings. I fucks with piercings. Oh, no, you can't. Yeah. That's not for your eyes. That's for my eyes. Now let me look. Oh, I forgot this. Oh. You didn't see anything. Didn't see that. Let me scroll. Okay. As I said, I like the pink hair. Quit showing them your ass. God damn. like this. I like this fit too. You know, she just got a perfect act. Like, I like the picture, as you can see. Let's scroll some more. Oh no, I can't show y'all this one. Like, y'all gotta close your eyes right here. Please close your eyes, okay? You know, motherfucker, Tyke, blur that out. Blur that shit out, Tyke. You alone, look. Oh, ooh, I definitely can't show y'all that one. You crazy? You crazy? Hell no. I gotta blur all this out, but wow. 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 Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, this one though. Ooh, I can't be mad at you. Like, I can't stay mad. Let me comment. So I gotta comment again under this picture, man. I gotta comment somewhere under this picture. Like, I gotta do it. Gotta do it. I had to. Let me scroll. I'm sorry, I couldn't show y'all that one. Now let's see what's happening here. You went out. This looks like a date. Hold up. Oh, wait. Hold up. This looks like a date. Let me see where you at. What's this place behind you called? Okay. All right. Okay. But this looks like a date. And you told the dude because he's ugly, you told him to take the picture of you. Okay. I see what's going on here. Let me scroll. Oh, I love this pic too. Yep. Perfect pic. Perfect. It's a snap. This looks like another date. Hey. I can't cap. No cap. I gotta chill. I know I need to chill. I can't be out in the internet like this. Let me scroll. This looks like a party. Yeah. Damn, I'm thirsty. Ain't got no water. Shit. Damn, I ain't got no water. Let me scroll. Ooh. Do it to that, baby. Yeah, okay. All right, I see you. This is another fucking party. I like it though. You're drinking water. You ain't trying to get messed up at the party because you know I'll be watching. Good. Let me scroll though. Wait a minute. Bro, why you over here? Why are you over there, bro? I gotta talk to you. Ooh. Last Christmas I gave you Yep. I love this hair though. Ooh, that's my crush. Okay. Oh Lord. Ooh, and you know what? I ain't finna show y'all too. Oh, don't do it to them, baby. Oh Lord, mess it out. Ooh, You know what, guys? I'm finna leave y'all right. I'm finna leave y'all right here. Y'all saw and seen too much. I'll see y'all tomorrow for the vlog. This picture though in the green up here, like, let me show y'all what you was missing out on. Okay.